Hello there and welcome to this class. This is English, question marks and exclamation marks. So let's find out the difference between the two. So not all sentences end with a full stop. So what are question marks? Well, tell us someone is asking a question. So this tells us that someone is asking us a question. So where are you? So where are you is asking a question. As a result, we will put a question mark after the statement. Okay? So how are you? Where are you? What is your favorite color? How old are you? All these particular sentences and phrases, they require a question mark afterwards because we're asking a question. So whenever you write these questions down, they always have what we call a question mark straight after. Let's move on to exclamation marks, which look like this. So it's just a line with a dot underneath. This shows a strong feeling like joy or anger or surprise. So here I am, exclamation mark. So it's a bit of a surprise. So if I said stop, I would put an exclamation mark straight after because it's a feeling of surprise. I'm not happy will require a exclamation mark straight after. Okay, so that means that you're feeling some sort of anger. And joy means when you're really happy. So I'm feeling great. And straight after, you will put an exclamation mark. So remember that exclamation marks show a strong feeling like joy when you're very happy, anger when you're angry, or a sudden surprise. And in terms of a question mark, this tells us someone is asking a question. Okay, let's have a look at one of the example questions. Let's see how we get on. So the question states, choose the correct option to complete the following sentence. So where is my shoe, and my shoe? So we've got three options. All three of them state my shoe, but the first option has a question mark at the end. The second option has a full stop at the end. And the third option has an exclamation mark at the end. So I would go for the question, where is my shoe? Because it's a question. And you will have a question mark straight after. The firework went something. So we've got three options. All three of them have the word bang. So will we have an exclamation mark, a full stop, or a question mark at the end? I would go for the option that has an exclamation mark at the end, a line and a dot underneath. So the firework went bang. So it's a sudden surprise. So exclamation mark will make sense in this case. Okay, have a go at the rest of the 15 questions and good luck. And we'll see you in the lesson whereby we'll go through all of these questions one by one. Thank you.